Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, all praise to be lost to Allah and you maras. Durud to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students and other people present in this event organized by the well-known institution Al-Qasim International Institute, Madrasa, School and College. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics that is introduced in our school. Alhamdulillah, the Al-Qasim International Institute, Madrasa, School and College is a contemporary and exceptional educational institute. It started its journey at Police Line, Rasulpur Shatkira, Sadar Shatkira. The slogan of our institute, come and build your life in the knowledge of this world and hereafter. Every student will be able to speak fluently in Arabic and English. Alhamdulillah. But English and Arabic language have facilities, good arrangement of residential, non-residential and daycare, good provision, vehicle transportation, non-residential student, good arrangement of Qiraat, Islamic song and sports competition, annual studies tour. Above all, our student prized as real Muslim, patriot and good citizens. That's all for today. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.